Hello, hello, and welcome back. Alright, are you ready for this one? Honey Crackles. Original Kellogg's recipe. Oh yeah, she called them honey crackles. Okay, first thing we do is preheat our ovens to 150 degrees Celsius. Now we need to get out a saucepan big enough to put 4 cups of cornflakes in later, okay? Once we've got the big enough saucepan out, we want to put 90 grams of butter in there, 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now once we've done that, we just want to sit it on the stove top until we need it. Now the next thing we want to do is measure out 4 cups of cornflakes. Now they don't have to be Kellogg's cornflakes, you can just use any ones you've got at home, alright? So measure 4 cups of them out and have them sitting there ready to go. Okay, now the last thing is the patty pan cases, or these ones are called cupcake cases. Alright, oops. So what I normally do is it makes roughly 24. So I'll get my muffin tins out and I'll sit them all in there because it makes it really easy to put the mixture in. But for many of years I never had these, so I used to just get myself a big cookie tray or an oven dish and put 24 patty pans in there. We want to put our saucepan onto a medium heat. Okay, once it's melted we want to leave it on the heat and we want to keep stirring it until it goes frothy. Alright, so once it starts to boil, after a couple of minutes of it boiling, see how it's gone frothy on top? I hope you can see that. So basically boil it for a couple of minutes and it will go frothy like that. Okay, next thing we do is turn that off. Add our cornflakes straight away and mix like buggery. Alright, as soon as we've got it all coated properly, we want to work quickly to get spoonfuls into the cupcakes or patty pans. So I was born in Adelaide in South Australia, and growing up as a kid we call these honey crackles. Now what I found out not long ago is that all different states over Australia call them all different things. So in the comments below write down what state you were from and what you used to call them when you were kids. You wouldn't go to a birthday party or a school fete without having these babies there. Okay, so I clearly overfilled the first lot because I ended up making 18. So don't forget, they're really sweet, so you actually don't need big lots, but I just can't help myself. Okay, as soon as they're done, now I've only got a small oven, so I'm going to have to do one at a time. But as soon as they're done, you want to whack them in for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, pull them out. Oh yeah. Bang in your next batch. And now we just let them sit there until they've completely gone cold. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Just like that. Honey crackles. So if you like nuts, you can use Kellogg's Crunchy Nut Cornflakes, or you can chop up some nuts and you can put them all over the top just before you put them in the oven, or you can leave them just like that. Quick, easy, lots of fun to do with the kids. They taste absolutely amazing. Go on, go down memory lane. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day and I'll see you soon. Bye.